Alright guys, here we go. We're gonna get to the point. What we're gonna do now is change the rear tire of my motorcycle. Let's get to it right here. Here we have 1998 Kawasaki 1500 Vulcan. Okay, it's a classic one. Classic Vulcan is what they call it. And the reason why we're getting to this is, let me show you my tire. Look at that, dry rot. And it is from being parked for a long time. So now, I already bought a new tire. Way long time ago, about 3 months ago. Time to change it. Alright, my motorcycle jack. My old one, it's been like 10 to 15 years since I've had this. Oh, we're gonna make the best of it. So here you go. Alright guys, she's all done. Tires put in, installed, balanced. Put the seat back on, push the bike out of here. Let's go. Okay, I have my jack stance holding the bike up. On the other side. Done. I'm gonna bring the jack out. Bring it up and bring it down. Okay? So gotta unlock it from there first. Nope, a little bit more. Here we go in the world of one-handers. Holding onto the bike so it won't fall. Okay. Alright, so here we go. Little foot action right here. Bring her down slowly. Beautiful. She went down. Alright guys, that's done. Rear tire is done. No balancing issues, took it for a spin, everything works. So then now, what we're going to do is, well not right now, but next video, I'm going to show you this thing right over here. Here we go. Okay, my wife is a little tired of seeing this thing here. It's a weed. She's like, hey, why don't you just take care of that weed that's growing in the back? I'm like, what weed? I'm like, that weed that looks weird next to the tree. Right there. It's been here for about 10 years. It is a 1995 Suzuki Katana 600. Okay, I've taken it apart. It came from Massachusetts. And guess what? Eventually, it's going to get rebuilt. So my next video is going to be pulling this weed out of the yard, cleaning it, sandblasting it, get it to go running. And I got some things already in the works. I don't know if I'm going to make it a Street Fighter. Comment down below. Let me know if you want me to make it a Street Fighter or back to stock. Stock looks kind of nasty. I've seen the fairings that come with it, and I'm like, I ended up buying an aftermarket seat because I want to modernize it, make it look good. but I need you guys' input. Should I go with, first I'm gonna rebuild it first. Get it going, get it started, clean it up, you know, and then I just want to find out, Street Fighter, custom, or back to stock. You guys let me know. Thank you. Appreciate it. More videos to come. Make it custom. Carlos over here.